Come test drive the 2020 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, 4-wheel drive, remote keyless entry, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, remote vehicle start. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, HD radio, keyless start, cruise control, power outlet, entertainment system, cargo net, climate control, console, floor mats. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.